Hello everyone, hope you are doing well and you all are fine. In today's video, we are going to make everyone's favorite snack, which is a lollipop. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to draw a lollipop with the help of a cap and a scale. First, we are going to draw a circle with the help of any size of a cap, and then we are going to draw two parallel lines to make it stick. Our lollipop is completed. Divide it into half with the curvy line. Decorate it with different ideas. I am going to decorate it with two eyes and a little mouth. Draw two ovals and another oval in the big oval. Draw the other eyes by drawing an oval and other oval. By filling the inner oval half, we make the eye pattern. Now make a smile by drawing a half oval and drawing another half oval. Our mouth is completed. Now let's color it with our favorite colors. Okay, let me know, do you like lollipop? I think so. All the children's, youngers, teenagers, even the aged persons like lollipop, the flavored lollipop, and every type of lollipop. Let me know which type of lollipop do you love. Lollipops are made up of many flavors. They are sweet, they are sour, and many other flavors. They are in many patterns also: round, heart, triangle, rectangle, square, and many more shapes. Hope you enjoyed the video and find it easy to draw a lollipop by drawing a circle and two lines. I draw and color it with orange and pink color. You can color as you like. Give it a heart to my video. Keep supporting. Bye bye.